Okay, guys, so iKON is making a new song and it just got released. It's Airplane. I hope to release the other song soon as well. It got released like this second, so I'm gonna watch it. I'm so excited, like, fuck. I was a bit disappointed by my type because I wanted more hard hip hop, I guess. I don't know, Airplane will not be that, but I think I would still enjoy it. I loved my type, even though it wasn't what I was expecting. But I'm such a big fan of Bobby and Bi. Like Bobby is my favorite artist in K-pop fucking ever after Show Me the Money, and fuck, I'm so excited. Okay, so let's do this. Let's do this. Airplane, here we go. 가장 쓸쓸한 멜로디야 Mr. Airplane 잠깐 멈춰봐 네가 오잖아 바람 불잖아 지금 가면 위험하니까 Mr. Airplane 잠깐 멈춰봐 시간 놓잖아 내고 있잖아 그녀를 내려줘 아님 나도 태워줘 하루면 이 시간을 딱 1분만 한마디만 Mr. Airplane 잠깐 멈춰봐 나는 남기고 웃는 얼굴로는 떠났지 우리 기약을 굳게 믿는 척하면서 널 잡기 위해서 내 모든 짓을 해볼 것 적어도 후회 속에서까지 살지 않기 위해서 girl 평생 그리워진 그대의 존재 그냥 내 품에서 더 깊은 잠이 들어 왜 잔인하게 아름다운 저녁 하늘 바라봐 너도 마지막이라니까 또 눈물 나잖아 너를 감싸는 나는 싫다 너를 밝혀주는 저가를 믿다 남아 세상 가장 쓸쓸한 멜로디야 Mr. Airplane 잠깐 멈춰봐 네가 오잖아 바람 불잖아 지금 가면 위험하니까 Mr. Airplane 잠깐 멈춰봐 시간 놓잖아 내고 있잖아 그녀를 내려줘 아님 나도 태워줘 하루면 이 시간을 딱 1분만 한마디만 Mr. Airplane 잠깐 멈춰봐 꿈을 가야 해 내일은 안돼 보내기 싫은데 가면 언제 오는데 너와 멀어지는 게 난 두려워 우리대로 자연스러운 이별이 될까봐 하루만 한 시간만 딱 1분만 잠깐 멈춰봐 네가 오잖아 바람 불잖아 지금 가장 위험하니까 Mr. Airplane 잠깐 멈춰봐 시간 놓잖아 내고 있잖아 I like that. It was good. But still, man, not what I want. Okay, Rhythm Dice released as well. Okay, Rhythm Dice gonna be too good. But okay, so Airplane. Yeah, I liked it. I liked it. Slow song, but good song. Let's do Rhythm talk. Okay, guys, so let's talk about Airplane. So what did I think? I think it's a good song. I really like it. You know, the beginning it's great. Like the bass when it, it's kind of good bass. And Bi is so amazing at rapping in this song. I enjoy Bi's rap a lot, and he sounds amazing here. It surprised me a lot that Bi is actually kind of better than Bobby in the slow songs. Bobby he has a very powerful voice, and he should do that in the party songs I'm interested in. But in the slow songs, Bi is better, and I think it's the same with my type. So yeah, the beginning of the song is my favorite part. It sounds so good. So yeah, let's continue on. What more? I think it was really nice to see Bi and Bobby singing once again. I'm a big fanboy of Bi and Bobby, to be honest. So the more I get of them, the happier I am. But also John Ho is his name, I think. I love him. He's a very good singer. My favorite vocals, I think, in iKON probably. after maybe Dong Hyuk, right? Anyway, Jan Ho, he sounds amazing in this song. He gets a lot of parts to sing, right? And it sounds great, you know. He's a very nice voice, and yeah, I enjoy him the most here of the vocals. Then Bobby's rap, as I already said, is good part, you know, but I'm not a fan when his raps get interrupted by Seanwoo. Seanwoo, he sings. The only part Seanwoo sings is when he interrupts Bobby. I just want to hear Bobby's rap, so don't sing when he raps, but that's just something small and stupid, I guess. Anyway, the song is good. I'm happy with it. I hope to release more party songs because this is not what I want from iKON. But for being a slow song, I enjoy it, okay? So, great job, iKON. Keep it up, but more party songs though. Yeah, that's it for me though. So, yeah, hey, check out my Rhythm Tile reaction as well. Okay guys, talk to you later.